Hey, what's up guys? This is TJ on another unboxing. Picked up a GPS, my first one ever, from Best Buy today, and it's the Magellan RoadMate 1220. It was 130 bucks, and on the side here, see if you can focus, there's a 3.5-inch touchscreen, text-to-speech, lots of points of interest so you can search for restaurants or gas stations or whatever. On the back there's a quick picture of the interface and all that. And it comes with maps for the continental United States, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico, so no luck for the fellow Alaskans. And on the bottom it says it comes with all that stuff. So I've ripped off the sticker here for the restocking fee, so let's open it up. Alright, so it comes with the user manual on the top here. I'll read that definitely because I don't know how to use this thing. Here's the unit. It's really small. Could be a good or bad thing, we'll see. Now, I don't want it to be too small so I can't like read it, quickly glance at it while I'm driving, so we'll see about that. Here's a little flap. I guess you get rid of this. And then, let's see. Comes with a lot of stuff. Comes with a car charger, so you plug it right in your car. Don't have to worry about your battery running out and all that. So that's nice of them. Or maybe all GPS units come with it. I don't know what this is, but okay. This looks to be the mount for your car, so you can put this thing right on your dashboard, so you can see it. Right now, this is pre-injection cleaning swab. I don't know why they'd include this. Don't they have these at, like, restaurants? Okay. Anyway. Some books here. This is the warranty information, which is huge. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. And then you got some information there, too. Alright. So, I'm going to show you guys the unit. Take a look around. Just ripped off the plastic here. So that fits right in my hand. It's really, I guess I could like walk around this and be like, yeah, I'm never gonna get lost. So it looks like the speakers back here. We'll see if it's loud enough. Today's Friday and I'm planning a trip over the weekend, so we'll see how well this thing works. So there's a USB port on the bottom so you can transfer maps and stuff, I guess. Here is where I don't exactly know what kind of memory card would go in there. Perhaps micro SD? It looks to be too small to be an SD card slot. So yeah, that, and then on the top there's a power switch. So let's turn it on, see what happens. Alright. Magellan. There were a lot of Garmin units there as well. But this is my first time getting a GPS unit. I didn't need anything fancy with those like 7-inch like widescreen displays with like things that can like tell me how to go to the moon and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just want to get a feel for how these things are, and if they're really worthwhile. Maybe later on my second unit will be like a really nice one. So I suck at Spanish and I don't know how to speak French. So English would be nice. 왜? 알았어. 알았어. Sorry about that. That's my mom. I'm actually Korean and I speak Korean at home. I'm in New York. New York represent. New York, New York. No. New York, where's New York? No. Yeah. Daylight savings on. Warning. Don't be like that retard who drove into a river just following his GPS. I got it, dude. Oh shit. What the hell just happened? Acquiring signal. Let's see how long this takes. First boot up. Oh, this is actually taking quite a while. I was expecting it to be like bam, 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 and give me directions by the way. That's kind of what you need when you're driving around. You can't wait 10 minutes for the thing to tell you directions. But oh well. I am in a house. I don't know if that messes up anything. I'm supposed to go outside or something and go on my roof. Am I supposed to do that? Oh, I don't know. Ah, yeah. Alright, uh, so, this is definitely accurate. Uh, I'm in 3D right now. I guess I should, yeah, that's 2D. And then I can zoom out. It tells me exact coordinates of where I am. And, it looks really nice, man. I like it. It's pretty cute. And so I'll use this tomorrow on my road trip, and I'll tell you how this works. And also I'll get on the I'll get on with the phone review. I'm sorry about that, guys. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.